Chapter 3. Supply schedule is a table that shows the relationship between price of a product and the quantity of a product supply. Supply curve is a curve that shows the relationship between price of a product and the quantity of product supply. Quantity supply is the amount of good or service that a firm is willing to be able to supply at a given price. Law of supply is the rule that holding everything else constant increases the price can cause increase in the quantity supply, and decrease in price cause decreases in quantity supply. Market equilibrium is the situation in which quantity demanded equals quantity supplied. Recall that market with many buyers and sellers are a perfectly competitive market. A market equilibrium in which of these markets is called a competitive market equilibrium. There are 45 firms selling premium bottled waters. We will assume that this is enough to generate competitive behavior in the market for a premium bottled water. At a price of $1.50, consumers want to buy 5 million bottled waters per day, and producers want to sell 5 million waters per day. We say that the equilibrium price in this market is $1.50, and the equilibrium quantity is 5 million bottles per day. What if the price were $2 instead? At the price of $2, the consumer will want to buy 4 million bottles, while the producers will want to sell 6 million. This given a surplus excess supply of 2 million bottled waters, a situation in which quantity supplied is greater than quantity demanded. Prediction: sellers will compete among themselves, driving the price down. Now, what if the price were 50 cents? At a price of 50 cents, consumers will want to buy 7 million bottles, while producers want to sell 3 million. This given a shortage excess demand of 4 million bottles in a situation in which quantity demand is greater than quantity supplied. Prediction: sellers will realize they can increase the price and will sell as many bottles of water so that the price will rise. Price is determined by the interaction of buyers and sellers. Neither group can dictate price in a competitive market, one with many buyers and sellers. However, change in supply or demand will affect the price and quantity traded.